Welcome. Today we'll prove the trigonometric identity. The fraction 1 minus 2 sine squared x over sine x cosine x equals cotangent x minus tangent x. Let's solve this step by step. We'll start with the left side of the equation and transform it until it matches the right side. First, let's recall some key trigonometric relationships we might need. Cotangent x equals cosine x over sine x, and tangent x equals sine x over cosine x. Let's begin with the left side of our equation. We have 1 minus 2 sine squared x all over sine x cosine x. Our first step will be to split this into two fractions. We can write this as 1 over sine x cosine x minus 2 sine squared x over sine x cosine x. Now let's look at the second term. In the numerator and denominator, we can cancel 1 sine x, leaving us with 2 sine x over cosine x. In the second term, sine x over cosine x is the definition of tangent x. So this becomes 1 over sine x cosine x minus 2 tangent x. For the first term, 1 over sine x cosine x can be rewritten as cosine x over sine x times 1 over cosine x. Cosine x over sine x is cotangent x, and 1 over cosine x is secant x. Now, recall that cotangent x times secant x equals cosine x over sine x times 1 over cosine x, which simplifies to 1 over sine x, which is cosecant x. For our final step, we can write cosecant x as cotangent x plus tangent x. This gives us cotangent x plus tangent x minus 2 tangent x, which simplifies to cotangent x minus tangent x, exactly matching our right side. And there we have it. We've proven that 1 minus 2 sine squared x over sine x cosine x equals cotangent x minus tangent x. This proof demonstrates the power of breaking down complex trigonometric expressions and using fundamental identities to simplify them. Thank you for watching. Remember to practice these techniques with other trigonometric identities to build your mathematical problem-solving skills.